Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, October 25, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 18, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a potential sell candidate, with a score of -1.48. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -2.89%. This means it has been losing an average of -0.48% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The ETF is currently following a narrow and falling trend in the short term, which could present a promising buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $380.93 is broken, it would indicate a stronger decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -6.10% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -6.80% to -2.21%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 16.18% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 16.18% and 31.81%. Therefore, the price range after a year could be $445.89 to $505.91. Our latest update on VOO reveals that the ETF price closed at $383.81 on Wednesday, marking a decrease of 1.34%. On the last trading day, the VOO ETF experienced a decline of 1.34%, moving from $389.04 to $383.81. Throughout the day, the ETF price fluctuated by 1.19%, hitting a low of $383.12 and a high of $387.68. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 4.27%. Although the volume increased by 574,000 shares on the last day, the prices continued to fall. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In terms of trading activity, approximately 5 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $1.89 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $422.15, while the lowest price was $338.90. As of now, the current price is 9.08% or $38.34 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 13.02% or $57.45 below the all-time high, which was achieved on January 4, 2022, with a price of $441.26. Let's dive into the signals for VOO. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has given a buy signal, indicating a potential positive trend. However, there are also some negative signals to consider, which could impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a sell signal for the VOO ETF, painting a more negative forecast. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. When it comes to potential resistance levels, keep an eye on the lines at $390.54 and $398.35. A break above these levels would generate a buy signal. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -4.27% so far. It is expected that the ETF may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices recently, which could be an early warning sign that should be monitored closely. In terms of a significant event in the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a special way. Historically, this has often been followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also shows a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average shows a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also shows a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. Let's start by looking at the support levels. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the ETF encounters any adverse conditions, it may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Moving on to risk, the VOO ETF typically exhibits controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. This makes it a relatively safe investment option. Now, let's talk about the ETF's volatility. In the last day, the ETF experienced a price movement of $4.56 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 1.19% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 1.33%. Today, we'll explore the possible day trading levels for VOO. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $386.99. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading opportunities. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain circumstances. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is VOO ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, VOO currently exhibits several negative signals and is experiencing a narrowing and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will continue to be weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. When assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of VOO is undervalued. For Thursday, October 26th, we anticipate VOO to open higher by $1.06, starting its trading at $384.87. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts as well. Do you agree or disagree with our analysis? We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Share it with us. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We appreciate your support. With that said, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.